The emergency Fed meeting spooked investors into purchasing record gold eagles. Sales of U.S. Mint gold eagles surged last week as investors were spooked by the emergency Fed meetings. The Chinese Yuan-denominated gold benchmark starts tomorrow. If this wasn't going to be such a big deal, then why all the emergency Fed meetings? Sales of the U.S. Mint gold eagles surged last week as investors were spooked by the emergency Fed meetings. As several news sources reported last week, this was the first time both the president and vice president unexpectedly met with the Fed chairman to discuss the state of the American and global economy. In addition, according to the news release, Superstation 95, two more closed-door expedited meetings of the Federal Reserve. After Monday's expedited closed-door meeting of the Federal Reserve, Chair Janet Yellen met with Obama and Biden in an extraordinary meeting. Then the Fed called yet another expedited meeting for Tuesday, April 12th, to discuss a bank supervisory matter. And now it's called yet a third closed-door meeting for Wednesday, the 13th of April, over financial markets. Calling these closed-door meetings or calling of three closed-door meetings of the Federal Reserve Board of Governors and it is an extraordinary meeting with the President and Vice President signals something very serious, and the answer seems to rest with today's meeting about a bank supervisory matter. Which bank? Which bank has a supervisory matter so serious that it had to be taken up by the Federal Reserve Board of Governors at an emergency closed-door meeting? Many rumors were spread around the blogosphere as to where and why there were several emergency Fed meetings. One such rumor is the U.S. government is being forced to enact martial law due to a systemic breakdown of the banking industry. Other rumors floating around are tied to the ramifications of the U.S. dollar and the U.S. Treasury market when China launches its gold-backed yuan tomorrow, April 19th. Regardless, the rumors had investors spooked enough to purchase the most gold eagles in a week since January 11th. Last week, the U.S. Mint sold 33,000 ounces of gold eagles and 6,000 gold buffaloes. That's a lot of gold eagles sold in a week compared to 38,500 ounces sold in the entire month of March. The majority of gold eagle sales were of the 1 ounce coin, which totaled 29,500, followed by 1,000 ounces of the half-ounce coin, 1,500 ounces of the quarter-ounce coin, and 1,000 ounces of the tenth-ounce coin. Again, these are shown in total ounces. For example, the U.S. Mint sold a total of 10,000 of the 1/10-ounce gold eagle coins, which equals 1,000 ounces. Furthermore, the U.S. Mint continues to sell out of its weekly allocation of silver eagles, as total sales for the year reached 17 million, 26% higher than sales during the same period last year. It will be interesting to see what takes place after the Chinese Yuan-denominated gold benchmark starts tomorrow. If this wasn't going to be such a big deal, then why all the emergency Fed meetings? The U.S. and global financial markets are in serious trouble. Investors who haven't taken a position in owning physical precious metals may be running out of time to do so. So, you all need to keep stacking because shit's about to hit the fan, it sounds like. Anyways, take care. Talk to you soon.